high protein dinner time with a little zucchini mixed in. We're gonna make this very keto friendly as well. And I got this recipe out of this book right here, High Protein Cookbook, which I am loving. Now I want y'all to know I'm putting my cookbook right over here. Kind of enjoying going back to an old-fashioned cookbook. I get tired of the digital stuff sometimes because you lose your place or things pop up. I just like having it sitting right there. This one is called Savory Zucchini Nacho Bites. Savory Zucchini Nacho Bites. So look at the picture. Doesn't that look good? There are literally 4 ingredients, and this is what they're going to be. We have zucchini, ground turkey, taco seasoning, shredded cheese. Super easy. And then the tool we're going to need is a muffin pan. All right, this is going to be awesome. I'm going to be frying up this turkey meat, and I'm using 85% lean, seasoning it with the taco seasoning. I'm going to be slicing the zucchini and making a little boat over here. Step 1 is going to be to slice the zucchini. But the first thing we're gonna do is I've already washed the zucchini. I'm gonna slice it. Now the recipe calls for it to be in rounds, and it also calls for it to have the skin still on it. So that's the way I'm gonna do it this time. All right, so we're going with fairly thin rounds because I'm gonna use these to line the bottom of the muffin tray. I'm gonna crisp them up first, and then when I cook up the taco meat, that's gonna go on top and kind of make some little, what they call them, zucchini nacho bites, alrighty? All right, so we're gonna pause there. I have them all ready here. We'll have to see which ones will fit because first, oh, that's perfect. I'm gonna put them into the little, see what I'm doing here? Now I'm not gonna do the whole thing. I'm only gonna do 6 because I haven't ever done this before, and only half of this is for me and the rest is for my son and my husband, and so therefore I have to save some of the taco meat. So we're gonna go with 6 to try it out. And if it's a success, I will do it again in the future. So next up is gonna be browning the turkey meat. We now have the taco meat done. The zucchini rounds have been browned, kind of browned in the oven. I'm gonna take about a tablespoon and add it to each little tin here. Just a little, not too much. We've done that. Now we're gonna add some shredded cheese on top of each one. So they're like little muffin tins, but they're back in the oven for probably 10 minutes or so. Here's the finished product. I have no idea how I lost my sound. So here I am getting these out of the muffin tin. They come out pretty good. The zucchini is on the bottom. They're nice and crispy and cheesy. The cookbook is awesome. I'll put the link if you want to get yours.